Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on your Shopify account. As you can see here, I'm already on the Shopify website. So let me just take you from the step one on the very first process. So let's just say I'm not currently on my Shopify. I'm going to open a new tab right here. And from here on out, as you can see, I'm using a Microsoft Edge. If you want to use a Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Bing, or Opera Mini, that is perfectly fine, as long as, of course, you have access to the internet, okay? So that being said, from here on out, just type in shopify.com.my. Make sure you have an NY at the very end. And here you go. This should be your landing page of Shopify. Of course, if you want to change your username, make sure you're logged in. To log in, let me just log out right here so I can take you step by step here. So this is the landing page. Click on login on the upper right. Choose a account. If you have an account for Shopee, that's good. If you don't, you can just use your Facebook account or Google account to proceed on this one. I'm going to use my Google account here and just wait for a bit. And here we go. I'm just logged in and currently I'm in this username, the triple one at the very end. To change it, hover your mouse on the name, click on my account, and as you can see here at the very first part, it says username. Let's just change it, okay? Let's just say, how about Iron Man 03000, something like that, right? Click our gender right here. Click on save. Are you sure you want to change your username to Iron Man 3000? Username can only be changed once. Of course, I'm sure. The username you entered already exists. Please enter a different username. So, on this part, the only problem is you're gonna have people using the same username. However, this is the process on how to change your username. So just include put a unique username. For example, Ironman underscore 01. This should be underscore again. This is actually a very unique one because there's two underscore. There's four numbers right there, and I think that is a unique username. Anyway, this is the process. I hope you enjoy it. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys. Goodbye for now.